What is up, YouTube? This is one of those random videos I'm doing tonight. Just got my nitrous pump rebuilt. Well, went through it and fixed some O-rings and all that, bought it off Craigslist. Got a decent deal. Where's that thing hiding at? But came with a bunch of other parts and stuff, bought at a motorcycle shop, and it was broke. Of course, the guy sold me junk. Got it working though. Still got the frost on it from using it earlier. Got the bottles kind of full down here for a project we might be working on. We'll see. Today's video is this though. This I bought off some guys down in, bought this with, was it Cold Fusion bottle blanket. And bought off some guys down in Gaffney, South Carolina Saturday. And the crazy part is, you see a picture of this thing online. It's obviously not a good picture. I see it has the lightning valve, which is good. And I'm like, it's gotta be a 10-pound bottle. Like, I mean, it's got this, for God's sakes. Why would it not be a 10-pound bottle? It's a 10-pound bottle blanket. So, get there and I'm looking it over. And I'm like, all right, well, that part number seems about right. Nitrous Express stamped. So we can get that to zoom. Yeah, Nitrous Express stamped. You look down here and you got the information here. Yeah. Weight of guess, 10 pounds. Sticker looks old, all beat up. And then you look at it and it's not quite. Let me grab a Nitrous Express 10-pounder right here. Full, of course. Oh boy. That's a 10-pound bottle. That one on the right is not a 10-pound bottle. I love it. It is part numbers. It's even the same part number. Now, if this bottle was stamped wrong in the factory or whatever, to put the wrong sticker on it, don't know. But if you look up here, yeah, 10 pound. Look over here, 5 pound. So anybody looking at, obviously if you don't know the size of the bottles, it's right here. No big deal. The valve's worth good money anyways. That's a very specialty bottle. And somebody either labeled it wrong or labeled it to be a bigger bottle for some weird reason. Today's video is we're going to take this valve off. I know it had a little bit of dirt down inside the hole. So we're going to take the valve off, look inside the bottle, see how that does. And I'm going to try to put that valve on ZEX bottle here. So that's what we're going to try to do. Stick with me. It might get interesting. Oh yeah, that was easy. So here is the setup, how to get these bottles off. Ratchet strap, wrap it around a bunch of times, tighten it up, then you can use that as a stop to keep it from spinning, and it just breaks that thing right loose. So that's awesome. Now it's supposed to be, we'll see how this one's set up, but the tubes, your pickup tube is supposed to be bent with, supposed to match up with the outlet. So one thing I always check when I buy these things used, because you never know. This is the big tube, which is always good. Yeah, and you see how that's curved down? Where the nozzle's at. That way when you're sitting in the car, it's sitting in the car like that. That's the bottom of the tank. Like you want like this, in front of the car that way. That way you take off, all the fluid goes back, good to go. That's gonna be a dilemma though. I need a longer tube. Interesting. Let's get the ZEX bottle. Got the purple beast. And the reason why I'm doing this, I got the blow down. This one's my only bottle. It's got the blow down tube on it, which I need the blow down tube in one of my vehicles, but yeah, I don't have the block off for that. And it's a crappy valve. Well, not crappy, just not as good. I probably got a wrench for this one. Like a champ. Man, that's a big difference. And you can see this is just gonna focus on it. Same direction the tube is, but see how small the tube is versus just gonna focus for you. There we go. That's the ZEX. That's the lightning valve pickup. I mean, you can see the big difference in that thing. That's why that valve's so much better than these cheaper brands. Most of these cast valves, you know, when it gets to this cheap, first off they got like a 90 degree, you know, the nitrous got to flow up and then out, where these valves are 45 degree. I mean, anybody knows that stuff, but this one flows and then out, so you get a little bit better dealings with that. This one don't have a gauge port. This has got two, so you can hook up a bottle sensor or a pressure gauge. So now I gotta find a pickup tube is what I gotta find. Interesting. I guess let's see if it fits. Oh yeah. Yeah, test fit looks pretty good. I was putting it on, you can feel the O-ring go down and all that, so I mean it looks like it did looks like we'll be able to make that work. It actually makes that purple look a lot better, purple and black versus that junk. But yeah. There's ratchet strap. That's how you get these things loose. So I just figured it out right now. Trial and error deal. But yeah, if anybody's wondering, you can take the Lightning 500 and put it on a ZEX bottle. If you have the right bottle, I gotta buy that pickup tube obviously. But if you had a 10 pound and 10 pound, pretty sure it'd be good to go. As always, hit the like button, subscribe, stick around. We got some cool stuff going on. Might be doing some fun stuff here in the next little bit. It's been working a lot, so stick around. I'll see you in the next video.